And squeaker still works.
Yeah, go get it, Suze. Yeah, I think I got it and decided Darcy was going to eat it and put it up on. I have a basket on top of the refrigerator with other toys.
Right.
Where I keep extra balls and stuff. 'Cause I used to keep them in the phones, but every time a friend came, he would come and get a ball. Yep. Stop barking and go get them. Go get it, Suze. Go get it. You're going to get it. Yes, you are.
She's just gonna bark at him. That's all she's gonna do.
Darcy,
Better
get
share.
it. Good boy, Darcy. Susie, grab a hold. Susie, grab it.
This is hilarious.
Come here. There you go. Get in there, Susie. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, you got a piece.
She takes the two of them talk.
Go get it. Go get it.
What about you, Abby?
She just likes to watch.